Hi, my name is Sam Rivera, and what I'm going to share with you today is something that is very powerful for your network marketing business. Most people who understand this network marketing tip that I'm about to give you, their business grows and expands very successfully. But some don't because they don't know how to use this tip correctly. Now, I've been in this industry for a couple years now, and I really didn't start experiencing any success until I learned this tip. And it's how to have people come to me and ask me what I do instead of me going out there and trying to sell everyone my business opportunity. Now, if you're like most people, like how I was when I first got started, you're probably very frustrated. You're probably being told to write a list of your friends, family, set up home meetings, get people down to the presentations. But here's the thing, 95% of the people who use those methods aren't really earning a decent income from home. What usually happens is that your friends, family are not really interested, they reject you, which is really no good for your self-esteem. The people who you get down to the hotel meetings or home meetings, they're not really that qualified prospects. You see, even though if you could sell and persuade them to get into your business, network marketing isn't about you sponsoring 100 people. It's about those 100 people sponsoring 3 or 4. That right there will give you your walkaway income. If you can have people come to you and teach your downline how to have people come to them, your business will grow and expand very successfully. How would your business be if you had people coming to you and people coming to your team 90 days from now, 6 months from now, 12 months from now? Now, if you want to learn more on how to do this, there's a book out there. It's called Success in 10 Steps. The author has over 30 years of experience in network marketing. It shows you step by step on how to exactly do that. You can get this book for free at the link below. If you pay very close attention to page 65, it'll show you what you need to do to have this happen to you. It's just 30 years of experience, and it's a gift back to you guys. You can get the link, the book down here. If you have any questions, just feel free to email me. God bless. Take care. I'll see you later.